This is Homelink 912, two-digit by two-digit multiplication. Family note. The class continues to practice the partial products algorithm and the lattice method, now with any two-digit numbers. Encourage your child to try these problems both ways and to compare the answers to be sure they're correct. Use the lattice method and the partial products algorithm. Number 1, 21 by 35. So for the lattice method, remember, this is how we do it. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Okay, and then we're just going to add 5, 3, 7. So the answer should be 735. We'll check it. Do the partial products algorithm to check. 21 times 35. And so we can do it like this. 5 times 20 is going to be 100, plus 5 times 1, which is going to be 5. And then we can add, over here we have, this looks like a 3, but it's actually a 30. 30 times 20, so 3 times 2 is 6, plus the 2 zeros, which will be 600, plus 3. 3 times 1 is going to be 3. No, not plus 3. Plus 30, because this is not a 3, it's a 30 actually, so plus 30. So we have, add these up, 5, 3, and then 1 plus 6 is 700. 735. See, if we had just used the 3, it would have ended up as like 708 or something. So you have to make sure you get the place value in the correct spot. And then we'll do the traditional algorithm, the one we're most familiar with, to see how that comes out. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Put a 0 here. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. And 5, we're going to add these together. 735. Okay, so all 3 algorithms, we got the same answer. That's a great way to check by using another algorithm. Next, we're going to do 17 times 43. 7 times 4, 28. 4 times 1 is 4. 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 1 is 3. And then we add them up. We have 1, 8 plus 2, 10, 13. Down the 3, carry the 1. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. The answer should be 731. Okay, we'll do the partial product, see what we come up with there. 17 times 43. So 3 times 10 is 30. 3 times 7 is 21. Basically, we're making a list of numbers to add. 40 times 10 is 400. And then 40 times 7 is going to be 280. Let's see, hopefully we get it right. We better line these up so they're easier to add. 400 plus 280 plus 30 plus 21. Okay, so it should end in 1. And then 8 plus 3 is 11, plus 2 is 13. Put down the 3, carry the 1. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 731. Okay, and then the traditional algorithm, 17 times 43. 3 times 7, 21. Carry the 2. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. 0. 4 times 7 is 28. Put down the 8, carry the 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. And then we add these up. That's 1, 3, 1, and 7. 731. So all of the ways we got 731. Alright, lastly, number 3. 58 plus 62. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 5 is 30. 8 times 2 is 16. 2 times 5 is 10. And add them up. 6, 9, 5, 3. So the answer should be 3,596. Let's try the partial products and see what we come up with. 58 times 62. So we have 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 50 is 100. And we have 60 times 50 which is going to be 6 times 5 is 30, plus a 0 plus a 0, that's 3,000. Okay, and then we have 60 times 8, which is going to be 480. Alright, and then if we add these up, okay, kept these lined up well enough, I think, so we add them up. 6, 9, 5, 3, 3,596, it works out. Let's do the traditional algorithm. 58 times 62. 2 times 8, 16, carry the 1. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Down the 0. 6 times 8 is 48. Down the 8, carry the 4. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 4 is 34. And then add these up. 6, 9, 5, 3, 3,596. We got it all correct. That same one. And then here, number 4, on the back of this page, use your favorite methods to solve these problems. I'll just use the traditional algorithm, and you can pick however you want to do it, and see if you get the right answer. 55 times 49 is going to be 9 times 5 is 45. Down the 5, carry the 4. 9 times 5 is 45, plus 4 is 49. Add a 0. 4 times 5 is 20. Down the 0, carry the 2. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 2, 22. Alright, and we have 5, 9, 6, 2. 2,695. Okay, maybe you want to try the lattice method too. Alright, that seems to be a pretty popular one. Again, it really doesn't matter which method you choose, as long as you can get the correct answer with the method. Alright, and 55 times 49. So here you go if you're going to set up your own lattice. 5 times 4 is 20. And then 9 times 5 is 45. And then we add across. So the lattice was pretty easy for this one because it was by 5s. And both of these would be the same. 5, 9, 6, and 2. So 2,695. It works. Okay, so it's a good check. The next one, 91 times 33. 1 times 33. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 9 is 27. 0. And again, 3, 7, 2 should be the same numbers, except shifted over. And we add these up. 0, carry the 1. 0, carry the 1. 3,003 should be the answer. What we'll do is we'll put this in a lattice. Okay, and then we'll see what we get for an answer in this lattice here. Alright, we'll do 91 times 33. 3 times 1 is 3. And then 3 times 9 is 27. Alright, and then we have 3. Down the 0, carry the 1. And put down the 0, carry the 1, and 3. 3003. So the answer is the same. Alright, which means you have probably a higher chance you got it correct. So this is Homelink 912, 2 digits by 2 digits for grade 3 everyday math.